Hello. Today we are working on a Renault Duster with a 1.5 dCi diesel engine and a Delphi fuel system. The vehicle occasionally starts running unevenly. Misfires appear, the engine shakes, and there are noticeable interruptions in its operation. The customer had already replaced the injectors with new ones. We also tested these injectors on a bench, and they are fully operational. The high-pressure fuel pump was also tested. According to the bench test results, the pump operates correctly, with no signs of failure. The vehicle starts normally and initially runs smoothly. However, after the engine warms up, it begins to run rough and starts shaking noticeably. In cases like this, we always use the oscilloscope USB Autoscope IV. We connected one channel to the injector control pulse using CTI 50 current transducer and the second channel to the crankshaft position sensor signal. Now we will analyze what exactly happens at the moment when the fault appears. Now the engine is running smoothly. There are no complaints about its operation. So, we will wait until the engine warms up and monitor the waveform signals. The exhaust is also normal at this stage. Let's increase the RPM slightly. The exhaust is clean, and the engine is running steadily. Now the fault starts to appear. On the waveform, we can see that the pilot injection begins to disappear and the intervals between the pulses change. But this is not yet the most pronounced fault condition. Sometimes the engine starts running much worse. I saved the waveform of normal operation.
Но это еще не тот компот. Бывает, так начинает штынять не по-детски. Для человека это еще незаметно. Так.
Here is the first injector control pulse in the normal operating mode. And here is the next pulse at the moment when the fault appears. You can see how it stretches over time. At the same time, the crankshaft position sensor signal remains almost identical. This means the problem is not in the crankshaft sensor itself. Now let's compare the injection timing relative to the crankshaft signal. This is how the system operated in the normal condition, when the engine was running smoothly. And here is the waveform in the faulty mode. We can see that the pilot injection shifts by approximately 6 degrees. The second pilot injection and the main injection also move away from their correct positions. With this kind of injection timing shift, the engine should already start smoking. Let's increase the RPM. Yes, smoke has appeared. The engine starts running unevenly, and the fuel is not burning correctly. So the situation is as follows. After warm-up and under certain operating conditions, the injection control becomes incorrect. At the same time, the mechanical part of the fuel system has been tested and shows no faults. Now we will switch the engine off and start it again. After restarting, it should run normally again. The engine is switched off. Starting it again. The engine is running smoothly again. Now let's increase the RPM slightly. So far, the engine is operating normally. Let's increase the RPM more and hold it for a moment. It seems the engine has not fully warmed up yet, so the fault has not appeared. We need to let it run for a little longer so that the defect appears again. Here it is, the interruptions have started again. The signals are shifting again. We are gradually increasing the RPM and watching the tachometer. You can see that the engine is jerking. We will continue increasing the RPM until the fault becomes clearly visible. Stop. Let's capture the waveform. Here is what happens. The engine starts smoking, which means the diesel fuel is not burning completely because of incorrect injection timing. Now we will restart the engine again. switching it off and starting it again. After the restart, the engine is running normally again. There are no fault codes in the control unit. We are gradually increasing the RPM and watching the tachometer. So far, everything is operating steadily. But once the engine runs for a little longer, the interruptions appear again. Therefore, our assumption is that the problem is related to the engine control unit software. It is possible that the firmware has developed a fault. We have already heard about similar problems on Renault Duster vehicles, but this is the first such case in our own practice. Now we will check the main parameters and possible causes once again. If we do not find any mechanical or electrical faults, we will send the vehicle for an engine control unit software update or reprogramming. After the software was reprogrammed, the engine started running steadily. The vehicle drives smoothly, with no jerking or interruptions. It is important to clarify that the software was not necessarily updated, it was simply reprogrammed into the control unit. Now let's see how the engine operates after this procedure. We will gradually increase the RPM, and then press the accelerator sharply. Now, a sharp acceleration. There is no smoke, and the engine runs smoothly. Based on the results, the problem was caused by a software fault in the engine control unit. Most likely, after a certain period of operation, an error occurs in the software, which disrupts injection control. The vehicle was purchased new. The owner did not perform any software tuning, remapping, or interference with the engine control software. Nevertheless, after some time, the firmware developed a fault, and the engine started operating unpredictably. So owners of Renault Duster vehicles with the 1.5 dCi engine should keep this in mind. If the engine starts running unevenly, if jerking, smoke, and interruptions appear, while the injectors and the high-pressure fuel pump are in good condition, there is no need to immediately go deep into fuel system repairs. First of all, it makes sense to contact an official dealer or specialists who can check the engine control unit software and, if necessary, reprogram it. Most likely, this is a typical issue that will become more widely known over time. Thank you for watching.